Ki officer rangba jagtrar ka koi ka khia jang ka Sorkar Jylla hakar por trik matau banai kleshim benta hak video conference baru menteri katnar ka koi ka khia jang ka Sorkar pedeng u Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya halor ka Jingai Tika hak Jylla megalaya. Hadir kini ka Jylla u director ka NHM u Ram Kumar ulapentip ka jingdon ki briu ki blayo ka Tika karkum ki Pynkhlain. Ulapentip ru babon ki briu ki blayo ka Tika ki deh ki jakasor karba ki thain nong kandong pat kaduna bha.
Today we had a review with our Honorable Union Home Minister regarding the vaccination status in Meghalaya, because since the video conference held by our Honorable Prime Minister 2-3 weeks back, we have been very focused and to see to that every last person who is not vaccinated to get vaccinated. As of now, Meghalaya's vaccination status, as per the head count, there are two counts, electoral count and head count. As per the head count, it is about 65%, and about the electoral count is around 56-57%. So we have some districts who have done very well, like South West Garo Hills, East Jaintia Hills, who are close to 80-85%. There are some districts who are doing very well. Urban areas have done very well. Rural areas are still lagging behind in terms of achieving vaccination.
Ulapente bru bakre kendo yo menteri rangba ka Jylla ubala bo ek jingthmu ban pinpoye ke Jingai Tika shamanla ki longye.
After this meeting, we had a meeting with our Honorable Chief Minister also, who had given us the target of reaching out to every single household. So we have planned it and we had done, and we had first of all line listed about 70% of Meghalaya's households have already been line listed with the name, whether they are vaccinated, when did they take the first dose, whether due for second dose, all for individual level we have done that. And we have also, Chief Secretary Madam had taken a meeting with all the faith-based organizations also to asking for their support. They also graciously agreed, and they are also supporting us in this exercise. The last 2 weeks, we have improved the sessions from 1,400 sessions per week to almost 2,000 sessions. So in last 2 weeks, we have done 4,000 sessions. We have touched in a campaign of reaching every single household. 90,000 households have been touched out of the 7 lakh households so far. We would like to do it twice, at least before the election.